What a woman's hug really means. Insights from Eytan Segev, the profiler. Let me let you in on a secret most men never learn. A woman's hug is never just a hug. Sounds dramatic? Maybe. But after 2 decades as a profiler, reading thousands of faces and body cues, I promise you, every hug has a story, and most men are totally blind to the real message. Let me walk you through the hidden language of a woman's hug and show you how to finally see what's really going on. 1. The confidence test. You think a hug is just a friendly gesture? Not so fast. When a woman wraps her arms around you, it's often her way of scanning your confidence, even if she doesn't consciously realize it. She's checking your body language, your posture, your energy. Do you stiffen up, freeze like you're being interrogated? Or do you relax and give a genuine, comfortable embrace? Tip from the field. In job interviews, they'll sometimes offer you a glass of water just to see how steady your hands are. Women do the same, only with a hug. The lesson? Own the moment. Show her you're comfortable in your own skin. 2. Emotional availability, the scan. Women have an almost supernatural ability to feel your energy. When she hugs you, she's feeling for more than muscle. She's sensing what's beneath the surface. Are you present, warm, real? Or is your mind a million miles away, hiding behind a mask? Trust me, you can't fake this. I've seen it play out hundreds of times. The man who's open and grounded is magnetic. The man who's emotionally closed off, she feels it instantly. Profilers note, a hug isn't just physical, it's an emotional X-ray. 3. She's defining the space on her terms. A woman who initiates a hug is inviting you into her world, but make no mistake, she's in control of that space. This isn't just being nice, she's testing boundaries, setting the rules for the connection. If you're needy, if you try to force the moment, she'll sense it and pull away. If you're calm and present, she'll want you closer. The real move? Match her energy with quiet confidence. Respect her lead, but stay rooted in your own presence. 4. Chemistry check. It's instinctive. Let's get brutally honest. A hug is a biological test. Her body's picking up your scent, your warmth, your chemistry. She might not even know she's doing it, but deep down, her instincts are firing. If your energy is off, stiff, or you're overthinking it, you're done. But if you're at ease, if your energy is authentic, she'll feel the spark. Don't force chemistry. Either it's there or it isn't, and being relaxed about it is your best shot. 5. A silent message to the world. When a woman hugs you in public, it's never just about the two of you. She's sending a message to everyone watching. A quick casual hug, friend zone. A slow close embrace, she's letting the world know you matter. The real pros in body language know how to read this in a split second. You can too. 6. The memory maker. Every hug creates a moment, a memory. If you're truly present, grounded and confident, that simple embrace will echo in her mind long after you part. You have one chance to leave her with a feeling she won't forget. So what should you do? Next time a woman hugs you, slow down. Pay attention. Feel the moment. Don't be one of those guys playing checkers while she's playing chess. When you can read these signals, your relationships transform. You become a man people are drawn to, respected by men and desired by women. If you want to go deeper, master reading people and become impossible to ignore, follow me, Eytan Segev, the profiler. Subscribe, join my community, and discover the power of reading people like an open book. Your next connection could start with a single hug. Don't miss the message.